Hello students, in this video we are going to see about critical path method. In short we call that as CPM. In my previous video I have explained about network scheduling and how to draw a network, what are the rules we have to follow. In detail I have explained how to label the nodes. So kindly go through that video, then you watch this video. Kindly subscribe my channel because when I upload the videos, you'll get regular notifications. So this is the first problem given for critical path method. We are going to compute the earliest to start, earliest to finish, latest to start, latest to finish of each activity of the project given below. And the data given is activities given. Activities they have given in nodes. So in circle, the first circle we have to take 1 and it ends at the second circle 2. Like that we have to draw the network, and 1 3 means 1 2 3. So 1 3, then 2 4, like that we have to draw. And for the corresponding activities the durations are given. Using that we have to see all these things, and finally we have to find the critical path of the project given. For that first we have to draw the network. Already I have taught you people how to draw a network. 1 2 means from 1 2, 1 3 means 1 3, 2 4 means from 2 4, then 2 5 means from 2 5, and 3 4. So 3 2 4 we have, and 4 5 finally 4 2 5. So finally we are ending everything at a single event or node. So already we are familiar with this diagram, so I have drawn that. If you want more clarification, kindly go through my previous video how to draw networks. After drawing the diagram, in these lines you mention the durations given. For example, for the first activity 1 2, the duration is 8. So write 1 2, the duration is 8. 1 3, the duration is 4. And 2 4, the duration is 10, and 2 5 it is 2, and 3 4 it is 5, and 4 5 it is 3. So write all the durations given. Then we are going to find two things: earliest to start, latest to start. That we are going to write like this. So near the circles, that is near every event, you draw a square. At the top you draw a triangle. So in the square we are going to take the earliest starting time. In the triangle we are going to write the latest starting time. So near every circle you take box like this, and at the top you take a triangle. Okay, we are going to start from the first event. For the first event we have to start with 0, because here only the activity, that is here only the project starts. So it starts at the 0 day or 0 hour. 0. From 1 to 2 the duration given is 8. So 0 plus 8, it is 8. So 0 plus 8, which is equal to 8, that has to be filled at the box. First we are going to fill all the box values, that is earliest starting time. So 0 plus 8, 8. Come to 3, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. This one. For this 4, even 4, we have two paths. From 2 to 4 we have an activity. From 3 to 4 we have an activity. From 2 to 4 the value is 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10, which is 18. From 3 to 4 we have the value 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, which is 9. Since we have two activities, after calculating these two, we have to take the maximum of it. Maximum of 18 comma 9. So it is 18. So 18 has to be taken here. I repeat, here we have only one event starting from here to here, 1 to 2. So the starting point we took as 0. So 0 plus 8, 8. Here also we have one activity. So 0 plus 4, it is 4. But here we have two activities. So 8 plus 10 is 18. 4 plus 5 is 9. Out of that we have to take the maximum of it. It is 18. Now come to 5. Here also we have two options. They are 8 plus 2, 10, 18 plus 3, 21. So what we have to do? Maximum of these two. So maximum of these two is 21. So 21 we are writing in at last. Now come to the reverse. We are going to write all the triangle values, that is latest starting times. We are going to start. Here we started from the starting point and we ended at last. But idhila nama reverse la varanum. So last point la irundhu minus pannite vandu here we have to end at last. So I have to start from 5. Whatever value I am getting here, that has to be taken at the top. So 21, adhe 21 inga. So 5 paathitingana, next one I can come to 4. நமக்கு ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி தான் இருக்கு. So 21 minus 3 மொதல் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டே போனோம், இங்க subtraction. So we have to subtract the duration. 21 minus 3, what it is? It is 18. And here also we have one activity in between. So 21 minus 2, 21 minus 2, which is 19. I'm sorry, here I have done a mistake. This one now we are not supposed to fill. From 5, I have taken the value as this one. Now it is not done. 5 to 4 I have done. From 5 it is 21. 21 minus 3. So 21 minus 3 is 18. From 4 to 2. We have one option. 5 to 2 also we have one options. So we have activities coming from 2 to 5 as well as 2 to 4, right? So we have two options. So first we will take this one. 21 minus 2, it is 19, and this is 18 minus 10, which is 8. So we have to know, here we have to take the minimum of it. 19 comma 8. 8 is the minimum. I repeat, there we took the maximum. No, when we subtract, here we have to take the minimum of it. So 21 minus 2, it is 19. And then here 18 minus 10, it is 8. Out of that we have to take the minimum. So here it is 8. Okay, for this 3, from 3 we have only one activity going to 4 alone, but for 2 we have two activities going to 5 and going to 4. So it is based on, for this 2 it based on 5 and 4. So we took both the calculations and we took the minimum of it. But for 3 we have only one activity going from 3. So only it based on this 18. 18 minus 5, which is 13. So 13 will come here. And after, for this one, we have two activities going from 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. So both the values we have to calculate and we have to take the minimum of it. So minimum of 8 minus 8, 0, and 13 minus 4, it is 9. What is the minimum we have? 0. So 0. Keep this in mind. The final thing, we have to get 0. These two values should be the same and these two values should be the same. These two should be 0. If it is not 0 means redo your calculation and check whether you have done correctly. Is it clear now? After this, from the diagram itself, we can find whichever activities are critical. For that, what we have to do is, for every activity, we have to check whether the given activity is the critical activity or not. For that, we are going to do a calculation. For example, if I start 1, 2, I am going to check whether this is a critical activity. If we are going to do one calculation. No. If that value is 0 means we can say that is a critical activity. How to check every activity is a critical activity? For this activity 1, 2, we are going to check. First you have to take the triangle value. Triangle value minus this box value minus duration. If it is 0, that is a critical activity. I repeat, for an activity, the last event, ending event, we have that triangle value minus the starting event box value minus duration. So latest minus earliest minus the duration. So 8 minus 0 minus 8. If it is 0, we can say this activity is a critical activity. We can represent as a critical activity in double line. Already we have drawn one line. Now double line. Already I told you for drawing the diagram, kindly use pencil. If you want to change anything, simply you can erase it and you can redo it. But within the boxes, whatever value you are writing, no, for that you can use pen. Okay. So we checked 1 and 2. 1, 2 is a critical activity. 1, 3. 1, 3 means this triangle value is 13 minus box value 0 minus 4, which is equal to 9. So it is not a critical activity. For 2, 4, triangle value is 18 minus box value is 8 minus 10. So 18 minus 18, which is equal to 0. So this is a critical activity. And 2, 5. 2, 5 means triangle value is 21 minus 8, this box value minus 2, which is equal to 21 minus 10, which is equal to 11, which is not equal to 0. So it is not a critical activity. See, for showing you only, I am writing all these calculations near the diagram. But when you do, please don't write like this. Do your calculation below the diagram, not near like this. Okay. Come to 3, 4. 3, 4 already we checked. Then 4, 5. 4, 5, the triangle value is 21 minus 18 minus the duration is 3. So 21 minus 21, which is equal to 0. So this is a critical activity. So critical path, finally we have to write as the answer. Critical path means from the starting point to ending point, we should have some activities connecting the starting to ending activity. So starting point and the ending activity varayum namakku oru path kadikano, critical activities ah irukano. So I can give the critical path for this problem as 1 to 2, then 2 to 4, then 4 to 5. Finally, while writing the answer, I can give this as a critical path. Is it clear how to find an activity is a critical activity? I repeat, for checking this activity as a critical activity, take this ending node triangle value 8 minus starting node box value 0 minus duration. For example, if I consider 2, 5 means the triangle value minus box value minus duration. Is it clear? So now come to the table. Here we are going to find the earliest time and latest time, which they asked in the question. Simply they are not asking you to find the critical path. They are asking you to find the earliest and latest time durations. For that we are going to fill this table. For that I have taken the activities given and the corresponding durations given. For that first we are going to fill these two values. Before going to finish, we have to fill the starting values. For this, we have to take the left side values, these values. For example, if I consider 1, 2, first I have to see 1 and go to the diagram in 1. In 1, go to the diagram in 1, what we have in the box, that will come here. So this and this will have 0, 0. Okay, so for filling the earliest time, start has to be filled first. For that, see the left side numbers. For those numbers in your diagram, what are the box values we have, that will come in this column. And for 2, 4 or 2, the box value is 8. 2, 5 also 8. 3, 4 means for 3, where is 3, 4? 3. For 3, the box value is 4. And 4, 5 means 4. This is 18. So first we have filled all these values. This is adding these two. ES plus duration. 0 plus 4, 4. This is 18. This is 10. This is 9. And this is 21. Is it clear? First you have to fill this. For that you see the left side numbers. In those numbers in the diagram, whatever box values we have, no, that will come in this column. Then adding these two, we will get the earliest finish. Okay, come to the latest. For that first we have to fill the finish. This is reverse. First we have to fill the finish, then we have to subtract the duration and you have to write here. For this we have to see these values. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Those numbers what they have in the triangle will come here. For example, 2. 2 in the triangle it has 8. 3. 3 in the triangle, it has 13. 4 in the triangle, it has 18. 5 in the triangle, it has 21. 4 in the triangle, it has 18. 5 in the triangle, it has 21. First you fill all these values using the right side numbers triangle values, and this is this minus duration. 8 minus 8, 0. 13 minus 4, 9. Then 18 minus 10, 8. 21 minus 2, 19. 18 minus 5, 13. 21 minus 3, 18. Is it clear how we got earliest start finish, latest start finish, and in the final answer you have to give the critical path for this project. We got the critical path as 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5. So I can write the final answer as, this is the answer what we are going to give finally. The critical path is 1, 2, 4, 5, and the project duration is, we have to add the duration of the critical activities. 8 plus 10 plus 3, so 18, 21. 8 plus 10 plus 3, that is 21. The units what they have given, no, that you have to mention, days or hours, whatever they are giving, no, that you have to write finally. Is it clear? The next problem is, we are going to calculate the critical path, and as well as we are going to calculate some floats, total, free and independent floats for the project given, whose activities are given below. So the activities given are, we have 10 activities. For that, first we have to draw the network, then we have to get the critical path. And this is the diagram for the given problem. Since you people are familiar in how to draw a network, I have drawn the diagram with the respective durations given. Now we are going to fill the square and triangle values. How to start with? For the first one, we have to take 0. Am I right? From 0, we have only one activity going to 2. So for 2, only one. From 1 only we have an activity. So this value is based on the previous one, 0. So 0 plus 8, 8. For this 5 also, we have only one activity coming from 1. So 0 plus 12, so it is 12. But for 3, we have two activities, one coming from 2, the other one coming from 1. So it is based on these two calculations. So 0 plus 7, 0 plus 7, which is 7, and 8 plus 4, which is 12. 8 plus 4, 12. We have to take the maximum of it, right? Which is the maximum? 12 is the maximum. So for 3, 12 will come here. For this 5, no. We have two things coming, no? One from this and one from this. We are not supposed to take this. So 0 plus 12, which is 12. And here 12 plus 5, 17. So which is the maximum? 17 is the maximum. 17 will come in this place for 5. Okay. Okay. So 5 we filled. For 4 we have two options. 8 plus 10, 18. And 12 plus 3, 15. Which is the maximum? 18 is the maximum. Finally, for the 6 we have three options. 18 plus 7, 25. And 12 plus 10, 22, and 17 plus 4, 21, which is the maximum? 25 is the maximum, so 25 will come at last. Is it clear? Now come to the reverse. We are going to fill the triangle values. Starting from the last point, we have to start. So this 25 will come in this place. 25. After 6, we can go to 4. So we have only in one activity in between. So just subtracting 25 minus 7, it is 18. And for this 5, we have only one activity in between. So we can take 25 minus 4, it is 21 for 5. For 3, we have three options. 18, this 4 value, 6 value and 5 value. So on the whole, we have to take the minimum. 18 minus 3, 15. 25 minus 10, 15. And this is this one. 21 minus 5. 21 minus 5 is 16. So which is the minimum? 15. So 15 we have to take for 3. Now come to 2. For 2 we have two options. 4 value we have to consider. 18 minus 10, 8. And for this 15 minus 4, 11. Which is the minimum? 8 is the minimum. For this number we have three options. 8 minus 8, 0. 15 minus 7, that is 8. Then 21 minus 12, 9. So obviously 0 is the minimum. Okay, is it clear? So already I told you these two values should be the same 0. These two should be the same 25. Now how to find the activities are critical. Already I told you this triangle value minus square value minus duration. If it is 0, make that as a critical activity. So 8 minus 0 minus 8. 8 minus 0 minus 8, which is 0. So this is a critical activity. For this 15 minus 0 minus 7, it is not 0. For this 21 minus 0 minus 12, it is not 0. For this 18 minus 8 minus 10. So this triangle value minus box value minus duration, it is 0. 18 minus 18, which is 0. So this is a critical activity. 2, 3, 15 minus 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So it is not. So 21 minus 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, when you add these two, 17. 21 minus 17, it is not 0. If we take these two, 18 minus 12 minus 3, it is not 0. And you take these two, 25 minus 17 minus 4, it is not 0. These two, 25 minus 12, 25 minus 12 minus 10. So 25 minus 22, it is not 0. For these two, 25 minus 18 minus 7, 18, 7, when we add, it is 25. 25 minus 18, this 25, this 18 minus this 7. So 25 minus 25, which is 0. So mark this as a critical activity. So the critical path what we are getting is 1 to 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and the duration is 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 7, 25. Now come to the table. We have taken all these things from the diagram. First we have to fill all these values. How to fill these values? For the left side numbers in the diagram, whatever we have in the boxes, no, that we have to take down. We have 1 in 3 places, no. For 1 we have 0 box value, so 0, 0, 0. 2, 2, we have 2 places, no. For 2 the box value is 8, so 8 in 2 places. 3 we have in 3 places. For 3 we have the box value 12, 12, 12, 12. And 4 the box value is 18, and for 5 the box value is 17. So I have filled all these things. This one I will fill, then I can add and subtract. So for this finishing times, we have to see these numbers, the triangle values. 2. The triangle number in 2 is 8. Then 3. The triangle number for 3 is 15. And for 5. For 5, the triangle number is 21. For 3, already we have taken that as 15. 4. 4, the triangle number is 18. So 18, 18. For 5, already we have taken 21. For 6, we have the triangle as 25. 25 in 3 places. Okay. Now what is the next step? We have to add these two. So 8, 7, 12, 12, and this is 18. This is 15. This is 17. This is 22 and 25, and this is 21. For this one, 8 minus duration. 8 minus 8, 0. 15 minus 7, 8. 21 minus 12, 9. 15 minus 4, 11. And this is 8, 15, 16, 15, 18, and 21. Is it clear? The new things what we are going to find is 3 floats: total, free, and independent float. Next we are going to find the total float. Total float is latest finish minus earliest finish. I'll explain in the table. For example, if I consider the activity 1, 2, total float is latest finish minus earliest finish. These two columns you have to subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. Latest finish minus earliest finish. So 8 minus 8. This is 15 minus 7, 8. 21 minus 12, 21 minus 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 18 minus 8, 0. 18 minus 5, 15, 3. 21 minus 17, 4. 25 minus 22, 3. 25 minus 25, 0. 25 minus 21, it is 4. Next, come to the next float, free float. For that, we are going to combine the table as well as the diagram what we have. Okay, I will explain how to find the free float. For finding the free float for 1, 2, for the activity 1, 2, for the activity 1, 2, the free float I am going to calculate. For that, for 1, 2, what we have as the total float? No, we got the total float values. No, that will come first, 0. The total float is 0 minus within brackets. So go to the diagram. We are calculating for 1, 2. For 2, what is the triangle value and the box value? Triangle value minus box value will come within brackets. So 8 minus 8. I repeat, for the activity 1, 2, the total float will come first. Total float minus finish latest minus earliest of this event. Latest minus earliest of this event from the diagram. So for 2, latest is 8, earliest is 8. So 8 minus 8 within brackets. So 0 minus 0, which is 0, that is the total float. For example, for the next activity 1, 3, 1, 3 having total float 8. So total float 8 minus, for the activity 1, 3, we have the triangle value 15 and the box value 12. So triangle value 15 minus 12. So within brackets you have to take. After subtracting, whatever we are getting, that has to be subtracted from 8. So 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So 5 as the next value. Now come to the next activity 1, 5. For 1, 5, the total float what we have is 9. Minus 1, 5 means this 5 we have to see. 5 we have 21 minus 17. So 21 minus 17. So 9 minus 21 minus 17 is 4. 9 minus 4, it is 5. So for this calculation, we are taking the total float table value as well as the diagram value. Is it clear? So it is 5. Come to the activity 2, 3. For 2, 3, we have the total float as 3. Minus in 3 we have the value 15, 12. So 15 minus 12 within brackets. So 15 minus 12, which is equal to 3. So 3 minus 3, which is 0. So 0 for this one. Using the procedure, I have filled all the values. Kindly check your answers, what you are getting. Okay. Now come to the third float, independent float. IF in short. Now come to the independent float. For that, we are going to combine the free float and the diagram values together. Okay. So for example, if I take the first one, independent float for the activity 1, 2 means the free float. So free float value what we got is 0. So this is 0 minus of within brackets. For 1, 2, we have to see the left side number. For the free float, we saw the right side values. No, for independent float, we have to see the left side number. For these 3, we have to see 1, right? In 1, what we have a triangle, that is latest minus earliest. Within brackets, we have to take 0 minus 0. So on the whole, it is 0. So for this, it is 0. For the second one, the free float, what we got is 5 minus there 1 we have. So 1 means 0 minus 0. So within brackets 0 minus 0. So 5 minus 0, which is 5. 5 for the second one. For this also 5 minus, for 1 already we got that as 0. So 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, for this 2 we have in two places, no? So for these two, 0 minus of within brackets for 2, what we have in the diagram, 8 minus 8, 0. So it is 8 minus 8, 0. So it is 0. For this also, 0 minus 0, which is 0. Now come to the next activity, 3. For 3, we have 3 here minus. For 3, in that place, we have for 3, 15 minus 12. So 15 minus 12, it is 3. So 3 minus 3, which is 0. And for this 3, 5, we have 0 first minus this 3 only we are taking. No, so 15 minus 3, it is 3. So 0 minus 3, this value is negative. Make a note of it. We are getting a negative independent float. We may get, okay, no problem in that. Next is also 3. So 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So next one is 0. Come to the last two. For this 4. This is 0 minus for 4 we have in the diagram. For 4, 18 minus 18. So it is 0. 0 minus 0, it is 0. And this, 4 minus, for this 5 we have to see. In the place of 5 we have 21 minus 17, it is 4. So 4 minus 4, it is 0. Is it clear how we are calculating total float, free float and independent float? Total float, just we have to subtract from the table. For free float and independent float, we are combining the table values as well as the diagram values. Kindly go through everything clearly, and I wish you all the best.